Motor vessel Ocean Spirit, this is Manila VTS, over.
Manila VTS, this is Motor Vessel Ocean Spirit. Go ahead, over.
Ocean Spirit, we have reduced visibility in your sector. Less than 0.5 nautical miles due to fog. Confirm your current position and intentions. Over.
Manila VTS, currently Avim Boy number 3, proceeding inbound to Pier 15, speed 8 knots, radar and fog signals in use, over.
Roger that, Ocean Spirit. You're cleared to proceed inbound. Maintain a listening watch on channel 16 and 68. Report Abim Boy number 5, over.
Understood. Will report Abim Boy number 5, standing by on channel 16 and 68. Ocean Spirit.
Ocean Spirit traffic update. One outbound tanker, Pacific Sun, will pass port to port with 5 minutes. Reduce speed to 6 knots and keep to starboard side of channel. Do you copy? Over.
Copy. Reducing to 6 knots. Keeping to starboard. Will maintain visual and radar watch. Ocean Spirit out.